G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and please hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we're making the Pina Colada and we're doing two different versions. We're doing the Malibu Pina Colada and the traditional one using white Bacardi rum. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is grab your shaker and we are going to pour in 50 mils of Malibu. Into your shaker. Next step is 75 mils of pineapple juice. And the last step is 25 mils of coconut cream. Alrighty, now I'm going to load up the shaker with some ice. Give that a good shake. Alright, now we're going to serve this over ice. Grab your Pina Colada glass. And strain into your glass. And we'll garnish with some fresh pineapple. And there you have the Malibu Pina Colada. Enjoy. Alright, so now that the Malibu Pina Colada is done, let's do the traditional one using Bacardi White Rum. So first thing you need to do is grab your Bacardi. We're going to do 60 mils straight into your shaker. $45 mils of pineapple juice. $45 mils of coconut cream. And half a fresh lime, which today we're going to use the juicer instead of my fingers. Load it up with some ice and shake away. And we're going to serve this one in our hurricane glass. Again, load it up with some ice. Strain away. And to garnish, some fresh pineapple, fresh lime, and a little pineapple leaf. There you have the Pina Colada traditional. Enjoy.